Hello, this is John Piper with the weekend video, and it's Saturday the 29th of May. Starting with Bitcoin, so far since this spike low, we're creating a bit of a triangle. So A, B, C maybe, this could be a D and an E. That would not be good news. We need to break above here to show some positives. We have in fact got a possible 5-0 advance here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A bit messy around here. We've now got an ABC, that's pretty clear, A, B, C, which has found support of sorts around the Fibonacci 61.8% level, but this is it's hardly setting the world alight. To confirm this pattern, we need to see a decent thrust up above these resistance levels, 40,000, 42,000, to confirm that we actually have seen a low of sorts. Until we see that, then the triangle, I think, has to be the favourite count. But there is this possibility, but I say it doesn't. As I've been saying for some weeks now, we need some confirmation that we have seen a key low and we are going ahead at this point. Right, Ethereum is ahead of the game here. We're seeing a much clearer 5-0 advance off this low here, which is around 1740, followed by an A, ABC, A, B. Now it looks like a complete C. But again, we need to see this thing confirm itself by thrusting ahead. I mean, this looks pretty encouraging actually, but we got to bounce just off the 50% level here. But we do need to see a decent thrust up again to confirm the position. Actually, having said that, looking at the 5-minute chart, quite a good 5 here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 3, 4 and 5 of 3. ABC 4 and then a fifth wave. So Ethereum actually has got a 5 already off the low, which is encouraging. But this, if it's actually going to be a correction, could take us back down to the 2,400 level or thereabouts. Sorry, 2,450 level, which wouldn't time with Bitcoin too well. But with our independent markets, they can behave independently as they are to an extent. Yeah, the 5 here is looking quite good, but we may want to see a correction before we actually do very much more next week, but that's certainly something to focus on. No change on gold, still going up, looking good. So 1, 2, 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3 could still be with us. No sign of a fourth wave yet. I mean, this could develop into a fourth wave, I guess, but still in the uptrend, looking good on gold. Ditto silver, looks like a 1, 2, 3 may be in. They've got the fourth wave coming in now. No change of opinion. But it's nice and simple when they do what I'm expecting rather than they don't do what I'm expecting, which I think the equity will probably be not doing, as it were. Anyway, let's get on to the next market. Looking at FTSE, the triangle, we've got a slight breakout, but nothing at all to write home about. It's just dithering still already. So we've got the A, B, C, D, E. This is not really, I wouldn't call this much of a breakout. So I'd say direction is indeterminate right now on FTSE. DAX trend is up. We've got obviously a 1, as it were, 2. This could be 1 or 3, I suppose. But again, all a bit dithery at the moment. Not much confirmation that we're going ahead. There's not much to say on DAX either, really, at the moment. The Dow is rather the same. We have got this quite sharp decline. Could be a wave 1, I suppose. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C perhaps. But no confirmation of that at all. You see all we're seeing this rather dithery failure to confirm, as it were. But of course it is the weekend, so maybe we're waiting for that to be over. So we may get confirmation come Monday, but this by itself is not too conclusive at the moment. That's rather similar, really. We've got a possible 5 down here, but then it could be a C wave, so that would be the end of a correction. Could be a 1, 2, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Obviously we're hesitating at this high here. Again, it's the weekend, so that may be the result. Again, I think it's pretty inclusive. It looks, I guess, there's a positive bias, this may not be too important, but obviously a break above this level here would be of some importance. So again, I'd wait for action come next week, really. That's all for today. If that's interesting and useful, I guess the key thing is really the cryptos. at the moment. I mean, gold and silver are just doing their thing in a nice relaxed fashion, which we can just enjoy, as it were. Bitcoin and Ethereum, it'd be nice to see some confirmation we're going up at this point, but obviously the market will do what they want to do, as they always do. On that note, I'd like to have a good holiday, so please have a great weekend. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.